Are you still here today for the day 2? I'm here for you as well. In today's workout, we're going to focus a little bit more on the standing exercises. And don't worry if your balance is not the best, you always have the wall behind you or at your side, so it can help you with the balance as well. Standing exercises are a little bit more functional, could be a little bit more challenging, but we do a lot of movements standing, like walking, running, playing different sports that all involve standing movement. So I hope you will get through today's workout and you will enjoy it. So let's get started.
Let's start standing when your back is against the wall. Do a nice shoulder roll, so lifting the shoulders up and pressing back and down, lifting up to the ears and exhale, press back and down. Good. Feel that you're in contact with the wall. Drop your chin down, inhale to lift, exhale to lower. Good. And lift. Make sure the upper back stays against the wall. Lower the chin and lift. Let's lift the right arm up, and with the exhale, take it over into the side bend. Use your core on the way up, and let's do the other side. Reach over and lift. Good. Inhale, lift the right arm. Exhale, take it over. Good. Pull through the abs, and again up and over to the right side. Lift. Keep your shoulders touching the wall. It's a good feedback for your body that you're not leaning forward. You stay nicely aligned. Let's do a couple more times. Lift and bring the arm back down. One more. Right arm up. Exhale. Big side bend over and come back to center. Good. Back to center, and let's step a little bit away from the wall. Keep your hands like you're playing the volleyball and rotate and push away from the wall. So you keep your body nice and straight. So you're leaning towards the wall and push away. So draw those abdominals in. So we're warming up the oblique muscles here. Rotate and push. Keep your core tight and press very light through the fingertips. Good. Think of you pushing the ball away from you. Keep going for 2 and 1. Press away. And we're going to step a little bit closer to the wall. Bring your hips against the wall, hands behind the head. We're going to slide down, bending the knees into a nice hinge and lift up, push through the heels. Hinge. Keep squeezing your mid-back just around the shoulder blades and keeping the arms nice and wide. Exhale to lift, slide down and forward with the chest, so you're hinging from the hips. Exhale to lift. Forward, keep your chest leading that movement. Good. Squeeze your mid-back. Exhale, push through the heels. Good. Keep your core tight, ribs are staying together. Good. Now we're adding the rotation. Exhale, twist. Inhale to center, twist. Keep pushing your hips into the wall. Feel that you're rotating from the upper body, from the shoulders, from the ribs, and try to keep your hips as stable as you can. Twist back to center and come all the way up. Good. Let's do one more set, starting to the right side and left. Good. Draw those abs in on the twist. Exhale, twist. Inhale to center. Nice and quick breaths. Good. A few more times. Good. Keep those elbows reaching wide and come up. Good. Release the arms down. Good. You're gonna press through the backs of the arms. Lift the bum a little bit away from the wall. Good. Walking your feet. So folding from the hips, lifting up the knee. Good. Keep your core tight and watch if your hips are shifting side to side. You want to minimize that movement to keep the stability through the pelvis. In and in. Good. Use full range for the hip flexion. Let's come a little bit more forward with your feet. We're gonna do the wall slide. Lift. So inhale, slide down as if you're sitting into a chair. Exhale, push up and engage your glutes and abdominals. Slide down, so about 90-90, knees and hips. Good. Keep your back against the wall. Make sure you're not leaning forward. Great job. And lift. Lower. Exhale. Abs and glutes. Lower. Good. Staying here. Lifting the heels. Alternating. One is up, one is down. Nice and still through the rest of the body. Just articulating from your ankles. Come all the way up. Let's do one more time. Slide the hips down. Now both heels lift at the same time. Roll up and up. So shifting the weight into the ball of the foot. Spread out your toes. Up and lift. Keep your core tight. Keep pushing into the wall. Come all the way up. Good. And press away. Let's change the position and come sideways to the wall. Good. We're going to do a little push up. Press away. Good. Lifting those bottom ribs a little bit away, pulling them in. Make sure you're not going into the side bend. So one piece. Toes to head. Pull in, exhale, push, squeeze the mid-back and a little bit into the armpit, the lats. Okay, we're going to keep the elbows soft and bring the outside leg up and push it back, squeezing your glutes. So folding from the hip and extending from the hip. And reach, pull up. Good. As you're moving the leg, you want to keep your abdominals tight. So you're stabilizing through the pelvis, through the hips. And reach. Good. Let's keep that leg behind. Good. Soften the front knee. Keep slight push into the wall. You're going to hinge a little bit from the hips, bringing the chest forward. And let's lift that outside leg back and up. Squeezing your bum. Reaching through the toe. Keep those ribs together. Exhale, lift. Squeeze your glute. Lift, squeeze your bum. Good. Glutes and abs work together in this position. Come all the way up. Come a little bit closer to the wall. Lift the outside leg in front of you. And we're going to dance from the hips. So you're going to hike the outside hip and sway back. So hips are going side to side. You're pushing into that standing leg. It's a lot of glute work onto that left side that's close to the wall. All your stability muscles. Up, push into the floor and sink it down. Good. Think of hips side to side and release it down. Shake your legs and turn around to the other side. Push into the wall. Keep that right shoulder away from the ear. Little push up. In, bending the elbow. Use your abs. Squeeze your back and lats on the way out. Exhale to push. Inhale, lean in. Whole body. Good. Couple more times. In and press away. Good. You can wrap that outside arm around your wrist just to feel the alignment. Come a little bit closer to the wall. Keep that little push. And let's isolate that outside hip. Knee up and extend. Really reach back. Try to open that hip flexor. And reach. Keep your abs tight. Keep the upper body very stable. In and push. And push. Squeeze your bum. Now we're going to bend the front knee, hinge a little bit from the hips, keep the contact with the wall, and lift that back leg up. Hip extension, so work from your bum, from the glutes, and keep those ribs together. Good, to support your spine in this position. Lift, exhale, up. Good, reach back, and bring it all the way in. Come a little bit closer to the wall, doing the hip dance again on this side. So hike it up and hike to the other side. Hike and drop it down. Sway the hips to the other side. Good. So your hip bones are dancing side to side towards the shoulder and down away, lengthening the waistline. A little work into the obliques, but most work on that standing leg. Good. Bring the foot down. Good job. Shake it off. Great work. Thank you for joining me. Comment below how you feel after the workout, and I'll see you soon.